talk to me through compliance, licensing, any zoning, anything of that sort that is necessary, as it would be like with the differences between assisted living versus like adult care.
Yeah, so it's, you know, very similar. Here's what's interesting though, is that every state's very different. And kind of going back to the whole Medicaid thing, you know. So there might be like some states, if there's like a good Medicaid program, there's a lot of adult daycare centers. There might be like a much more strict or much more regulated adult daycare, you know, licensing, you know. But then you might have some states they don't even have there is no licensing at all, you know. And it's like even in the state of Florida, like in Florida, we got 3,800 plus assisted living facilities, but we only have 300 adult daycare centers. So like the adult daycare like licensing and you know regulations is all like done as a side job by someone in the assisted living department.
Okay. And
you know,
do you need a commercial space for it, or can you do residential?
So, you know, I have my opinions on everything, but you know, I mean, so you know, so it's like I think, you know, it's up to the individual how they view it. I personally believe, like, for the model that you know, that we've built and that like we're like, you know, expanding is really the is like kind of like the retail plaza, like you know, easily accessible to the consumer, you know. So like, you know, if that family caregiver or that spouse is taking care of their, you know, their husband or wife, like, you know, we want to be in a place that's like, you know, really easy for them to get to and in and out of, that's somewhere centralized in town. So like, you know, that might be on the way to where everything's at, or it might be where everything's at, you know. So we kind of like are looking typically for like maybe like a commercial space, retail type environment. We don't want to be like in an office plaza where it's like tucked away somewhere. We want to be kind of like, you know, more visible, you know, easy in, easy out type of thing, you know?
Yeah, no, that makes sense. And I think that is crucial for just marketing purposes too, you know, because people will be driving all the time by there if it's a populated area. So
100%.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.